Hey guys, we received this all Swift Fit kids shoe or the men's shoes, as you can see it here. So it's a blue color, so it can be used for teenagers, size 7, and then also for the adults. So you have different sizes. You can see it looks really nice. The sole is really thick and with the comfortable um, wear. Also the meshy design on the top and the laces design. So you can see right like for the good ventilation and also a thick sole for nice walking and running. So from the top you can see is a little waterproof design but meshy on the top side. So it's a nice design with a thick sole, and let me just see like after wearing how this will feel. So once you wear it, you will feel a really nice memory foam cushion with a thick sole. It's good that you will not feel the ground thing and also the hardness thing. So it's good for running and walking, like both side for the daily wear and nice comfortable shoes.